We probably all can do with an extra $1,000 a month, right? Or maybe even more than that, or maybe a $500 extra a month while we're still working. So in this video, I'm going to show you 5 side hustles that you can start today to start earning an extra $1,000 every single month. So let me get into this video. Hi and welcome to Eagle Vision, where we motivate and inspire you to create a life of abundance. My name is Gershwin, and in this video, I'm going to show you 5 side hustles where you can earn an extra $1,000 and even more. I'm so excited to share with you these 5 side hustles, and you can start them today. They're so easy to get started in, and they will actually help you to earn that $1,000 and even more extra every month. So before we get into the video, please like, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. I would really appreciate that. Side hustle that we can look at is a side hustle called job servicing. Now, job servicing is a practice of selling a service to a customer, and that's for a fee. So let's say the fee is $100, right? Then you would hire somebody else to do the service for you or for that customer, and you will take the difference. So let's say, I'm going to make examples. So I'm going to show you quickly here on my screen. So let's say we get the client, right? And the client wants us to create a website, or the client maybe wants us to provide marketing content, right? Create videos. So we'll find somebody on Fiverr or on Upwork, and we have charged the customer $100, right? So we'll pay the freelancer $50, and we'll then pocket the other $50 without doing any work. So you're just finding people to provide the service for the client that you attracted, or the client that you got. And I'm going to show you quickly. So with job servicing, right? So let's say you find a customer, let's say in your area, let's say you've called up a dentist, or you maybe called up a local business in your area, right? And you said to a local business, I would do your social media marketing for you. So what you would do is you would go to Fiverr, you'll go on Fiverr, and you will find somebody that can do the social media, and here you can get a lot of people that can do it for $5, for $10, and what you would then do is find that person to provide the service, and you can see here it's for Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, YouTube, even TikTok as well. They can create content for their business, and once they've delivered on that, you'll give it to the customer, and you will pocket your $50. So that's an easy one, right? The next one is, I'm going to show you quickly. So the next one is creating a YouTube channel, but without showing your face. And how you would do that, I'm going to show you examples of people that have done it. So you would find music that's not copyrighted, right? And you can find that on YouTube Library, or you can find that on sites like, I'm going to quickly see if I can get a site for you. Let's see, a site called bensound is one.com. So you can go to a site called bensound.com, and you can find music that's not copyrighted, and you can use that music on the videos. And if you need videos without showing your face, you can go to a site called Pixels. You can go to a site Pixels, and you can put in here rain, right? You can put in your rain, and you can see, you can get videos like these, and you can just download it for free. So that's how easy it is, right? Okay, let's just close this. And you can see the views that these people get. Like this is 8.8 million views. This one is 11 million views. This one is 164 million views. And let's say like these people are making tons and thousands of dollars just by providing music and videos. Look at this, 25 million views. Here you can see someone is live, or a live video. Here's 1.3 million. So you can see this is how you can make money with YouTube without showing your face. And what you can also do is, I'm going to check if these guys have actually put in an affiliate link. So I'm going to open up this. Let me just, oopsie. Let me just, oopsie. There we go. Just put the sound off. Let's see if they have a affiliate link. So this one doesn't have one. Let's go back. Just want to show you that you can see that you can even do affiliate marketing with like this, where you have a certain niche, right? And all you need to do is, I think here's one. This is YouTube as well. Okay, yeah. Here you can see people are using affiliate links, and if people click on that affiliate links, they make a lot of money that you can sell. You can promote different products, right? The next thing is you can also earn revenue, ad revenue on how many people watch your videos. So that's how you would make money with creating a YouTube channel. Then the third one is, let me show you, is creating kids coloring books or even adult coloring books. And you can do that on Etsy. So you can go to a site called Etsy, and you can see here in Etsy, this one is selling for $3, $5, $4, $1. Is a 40 page one. You can see they're selling coloring books, and they're selling quite well on Etsy. So you can create this on Canva. You can go on canva.com and you can create coloring books and just list it up here. It's 20 cents to list a listing on Etsy. You list it, you do your SEO, and you can start selling. You can start selling this coloring books and start earning money. Then let's look at the fourth side hustle. And the fourth side hustle is something that I enjoy, but this side hustle is only for people in, I'm going to show you, people in the US and also people in London. So if you have a car, right, and you're not driving that car that much, let's say maybe you're working from home or you don't use your car that much, you can rent out your car like a B&B, like Airbnb, where you would rent out your house. You can rent out your vehicle for certain days and make money from that. So here you can see you can list any car on the Toro website. You can just go to this website called Toro, and you can say become a host, and you become a host, and then you can list your car on there, and people can rent your car at different times, and you can make an extra $1,000 with that a month without actually doing anything. So that's like, it's really, really cool to do that. So you can see different places that allows you to rent, and it's mostly in the US and then the UK. So if in the UK or the US, you can rent out your car and get money from that, or earn money from that. So as you can see, I just want to show you more, but just go to this website called toro.com and list your car and start making money. Then the last and final side hustle is, let me see if I can get it, it's becoming a content manager. So a content manager, like a company would hire you, right, to look at their websites, to look at their content in the company, like their Facebook page, their Instagram page, any social media page, or anything that's related to the product that they're selling. Maybe even their wrapping, like they may be wrapping their boxes of the way the product is in. You can maybe check and see if all the wording and everything is right. So you would write content for them. You would write different content for their website, and maybe for their blog or for their newsletter. So this is what a content manager would then, so to say, do. And you can see here the average salary is like 40,000 K, but you can make more than $1,000 every single month by becoming a content creator or content manager for a company. Is that you can have your own team as well, where you just overlook, or not overlook, but where you manage a small team of people that would look at that maybe writing or editing or creating or posting or updating. You can see here, and occasionally cleaning up outdated content. and companies love people like that because they don't have the time to do that. So you can earn money from that. If this video was helpful for you, please hit the like button, subscribe, and click on the bell icon to get notified every single time I upload a video. I'll try to do more videos like these to show you different side hustles. If you like it, say just Gershwin, thank you. And then I'll create more and more of these type of content where you can see different ways to making money online. Thank you so much for watching. Be blessed and create success. Bye.